Have you ever struggled to organize your thoughts when speaking under pressure? Or found yourself unable to recall key information in a conversation? Clear thinking is not just an ability, it is a skill that improves with regular practice. Just like physical exercise strengthens the body, mental exercises sharpen the mind, making it easier to think quickly and communicate effectively. In this lecture, we will focus on daily training techniques that improve quick thinking, recall, and focus. You will also learn how to break through mental blocks that interfere with clear thinking. Using structured mental exercises, mind mapping, and note-taking, you can develop a routine that strengthens your ability to organize and express thoughts with confidence. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how daily training improves quick thinking and recall, how to use mind mapping and note-taking to organize thoughts more effectively, how to break through mental blocks that interfere with clear thinking, daily training techniques for quick thinking and recall. Just like muscles need regular training to stay strong, the brain requires consistent challenges to stay sharp. Developing quick thinking skills involves exercises that engage memory, reasoning, and adaptability. Daily mental training strategies. Speed thinking drills. Set a timer for 30 seconds and try to generate 3 different solutions to a problem. This forces the brain to work quickly and flexibly. Summarization practice. After reading an article or listening to a lecture, summarize the key points in 3 sentences. This improves comprehension and recall. Verbal response drills. Pick a random topic and speak about it for 1 minute without hesitation. This strengthens the ability to organize thoughts quickly. Association games. Link new information to something familiar. For example, when learning a new concept, associate it with a personal experience. This improves retention and recall speed. Why these exercises work. They train the brain to retrieve information faster under pressure. They improve the ability to process and articulate thoughts clearly in real time. They strengthen pattern recognition, making problem-solving easier. A structured mental training routine helps develop cognitive agility, allowing you to think and speak with confidence even in high-pressure situations. Mind mapping and note-taking for organized thinking. Organizing thoughts effectively is essential for clarity and recall. 2 powerful tools for structuring ideas are mind mapping and strategic note-taking. Mind mapping. Visualizing ideas. Mind mapping helps arrange thoughts visually, making connections between ideas clearer. This method is particularly useful for brainstorming, problem-solving, and speech preparation. How to create a mind map. Write the main idea in the center of a page. Branch out key themes that support the main idea. Add subtopics and supporting details under each branch. Example: if preparing for a presentation on public speaking confidence, the mind map might include main topic, public speaking confidence. Branch 1, preparation techniques, rehearsing with notes, practicing in front of a mirror. Branch 2, managing nervousness, deep breathing, positive visualization. Branch 3, engaging the audience, eye contact storytelling techniques. This technique makes it easier to see connections between ideas and recall information more effectively. Strategic note-taking for faster recall. Traditional note-taking often results in scattered information that is difficult to review. Instead, structured note-taking methods help store and retrieve key ideas quickly. Effective note-taking strategies. Cornell method. Divide the page into 3 sections. Main notes. Record key ideas. Cues. Write down keywords or questions related to the main notes. Summary. At the bottom of the page, write a brief summary of the main points. Outline method. Use bullet points and indentation to organize information hierarchically. This works well for lectures and presentations. Key point highlighting. Write notes in full sentences, but underline or highlight 3 key takeaways from each section. These methods help organize information in a structured way, making it easier to recall when needed. Breaking through mental blocks for clear thinking. Mental blocks can make thinking feel slow and unclear. These blocks are often caused by stress, information overload, or lack of focus. Understanding how to overcome these obstacles can help maintain mental clarity. Common causes of mental blocks. Stress and anxiety. High-pressure situations cause the brain to prioritize emotional responses over logical thinking. Lack of sleep. Fatigue reduces cognitive function and focus. Information overload. Too much input at once makes it difficult to process and recall information. Techniques to overcome mental blocks. The 5-4-3-2-1 method. If overwhelmed, focus on 5 things you see, 4 things you hear, 3 things you can touch, 2 things you smell, 1 thing you taste. This resets the brain, improving focus. Take mental breaks, a 5-minute break. Every hour improves long-term concentration. Simplify the problem. Instead of looking at an issue as a whole, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Write it out. Journaling or writing ideas on paper helps the brain process complex thoughts. Developing habits that manage stress and improve focus ensures that mental clarity remains strong even in demanding situations.